Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alert on eToro on the web platform. So first thing what you need to do is log in into your account. Then what you can do here on the left, you can navigate to the watch list. And okay, let's say we will want to NVIDIA, done, like that. All right, now what we can do here is go to these three dots over here on the right side, click on it, and then we can select here update alert. And now active price alert. So we can you see in previous video I did in mobile app, so I see what I set on mobile app. Right here I can also set the alert. So if I go back home, yes, back home, and right here I will select S&P SPX 500. Now here at the right side you will see these three vertical dots. Click on it, and now we can set price alert. Again, like is the same thing as in mobile app. I will select for 2% drop, and if it falls for 2%, I will get an alert. And this is how you can set the alert for your selected stocks, crypto, and so on. And under here of under now we can see here SPX 100 updated alert, and as you can see, it's right over here. And this is how you can set the alert on the web platform. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.